Tanisha, today I want to hear your story. You've made amazing progress in learning English. Tell me, how did it change your life?
Sir, learning English opened many doors for me. At first, I was afraid of speaking, but now I feel more confident. I still remember the first day I tried to speak English. I was so scared. Tanisha read the sentence aloud. I can't do it, sir. That day, I decided I wouldn't give up. I started watching videos, reading books, and practicing every day. Sir, after practicing a lot, one day, I finally spoke English without fear.
That's wonderful, Tanisha. Tell me, what changed after that?
I started making new friends, talking to people from other countries, and even helping my younger brother with his English homework.
That's inspiring, Tanisha. What advice would you give to others who are afraid of learning English?
I would say, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Practice every day, watch English movies, and talk to yourself in English. It really helps.
That's great advice. I'm proud of you. Keep learning, and you'll go far.